Welcome to Fishing Dorset Live.
Welcome back to Seafishing Dorset Live on the Guernsey trip today with JD. It's a beautiful morning, blue sky, bit of mist about. It's going to be a really nice crossing, guys. We can't wait to get over there, get fishing. I'll get a quick pan around of the harbour. It's JD, done a bit of filming as well.
Morning.
But this is one part of Poole Harbour. There's Brownsea Island in the background there. The oil spill come from right in between those islands there, but it's all cleared up now, so it's all good. But yeah, just a quick look around the docks. You ain't gonna see too much. What I'll do is I'll get a bit of footage from Poole Harbour as we go out. There's Poole Harbour over the other side there. But yeah, it's gonna be an epic trip, guys, and I need to stop saying guys. But there we go. I'll bring you back as soon as we leave the dock, start heading out into the harbour. is Mr. Inglorious. Here he is.
I didn't think you were going to be that quick, chap. That out already.
Right guys, I'll bring you back later on. We'll just get the barrel loaded up, we get going. 500 guys.
Wait. Welcome to Guernsey. God, I spend all my money in this place. Right, sir?
Buddy?
I spend all my money in this place, mate.
Jesus. This is what you call a tackle shop.
You got everything. So you got fresh water here.
Yeah. You got all your
Salt water here.
all your puddle chucking stuff.
Saltwater hooks, Cox and Roll, Aberdeen, mustards. You name it, they got it, chap. Weights. Feathers, selection of feathers. Rigs. All your booms for fishing. That I use for like turbot fishing. Scales, knives, elastics, line, braid.
Jesus.
All your lures are here. See those sections there? You got more lures all the way across. Right to the end. Squid jigs. Foraging bags. You got cheap squid jig sets, look at that. 12 quid for
Jeez.
all them. Not bad.
Jesus. Huge, mate, isn't it?
Waders.
This shop does everything. Oh, I mean everything.
Wetsuits. Them bags, tackle boxes, paddles, life jackets, you name it, chap. Waterproof socks, all your pot and rope, pots.
Jesus.
They've got ink wells and polars in the back.
All your shackles.
Shackles for your boat anchors.
I'm looking for a base for an inkwell, mate. My inkwell.
You just got a
They
quick
sell them here.
Yeah, they used to have.
all your ropes.
They normally got the.
Electric outboards. Have a quick pan round, guys. And I'm going to go and have a... That's all right, buddy. Hey, right. Cool, blind. Look at this lot. There's the exclusive flash, I think the LED lights flickering the old screen, but there you go, guys.
Yeah, landing nets up on the wall. Reels, all these.
Oh, it's got all them on those beauties.
So what's the price compared to yours?
I don't know, I'll have a look in a minute. There you go, guys, it's got everything. I ain't gonna record too much because I want to look around before we get out on the boat. We've literally just landed. So there we go, what a cracking shot. Mr. Glorious.
Fenders.
There we go, I don't think the shop don't do a lot more, guys, but there we go. I'll bring you back later on. Go on, buddy, you alright? There we go, JD just making his purchases. There's Dano, Johnny. There's Wahoo fishing there, guys. Tom. Just excuse the lighting, guys, the flickering into the LED lights. Right, we're going to go hit the boat now, guys. There you go, guys, Peter G.
Hey.
I've got your hoodie, mate, in my bag. How you doing, Peter? Nice to meet you, buddy.
Hey, you buddy.
There you go, guys. We're meeting a lot of people at this fishing shop today. But yeah, that's Peter G, the Mr. Man, the legend.
Oh, brilliant.
Here we are, this is Bruce Bay. The water is absolutely blue and clear. Look at that. Beautiful.
That's how it is.
But yeah, we're out with Peter G now. Have a look around the islands. Then we're about an hour, we're out with Dano, get some pot bait. But what a view, guys. But like I say, guys, if you're watching, don't forget to like and subscribe. It all helps my channel out and it'll be massively appreciated. Alright, this is where we're fishing tonight.
We're on top of a German bunker.
And we're on top of a German bunker, Peter G just said. But yeah, look at this, what a location tonight. Absolutely stunning. But yeah, we're on top of a German bunker. Bunker. But yeah, there we go. Crystal blue water as well.
one with the toys like that. Just sand. Nothing yet either. All sand.
Here we are. Just about to jump on the famous vessel in Glorious. There's Dano in front. I think Mr. Dino's pulled up next to Dano's boat.
That's up for 15 G's.
Nice.
I like that one.
But we're going out for bream, mackerel. Sun's out, it's absolutely stunning. There he is.
There he is.
That's Mr. Dino. So Timothy. Here she is.
Well, one on theirs, one on mine. I don't care who goes on mine.
Whoever stops us with a bad back, come on this one.
But there we go. Right, guys.
Serious.
I'll bring you back as soon as we get under go. That's Tim and Jay. They're off. There we go. Dano's live. Just untying a boat. But right, we're just out for bream, mackerel, bait for the pots. Just using some feathers. So we're just about to set sail, guys. There we go, guys. Check out Match and Matt's channel out. Let's get these rods out. Put them in a fit bream, guys.
Enough for pot bait.
Got light now, I think it's come off.
They do, they go light and then come back on, yeah.
Only a little one.
You alright?
Little bream there. Let's get them off.
Lovely, yeah.
Yes. 1-5, can I send please Max for the intro?
On, look.
Happy days. Right, we've had a 3 bream. Dan's just going to lift a couple of pots up.
Yep.
So it'd be nice getting the footage of this. I've always watched it. Now I'm doing it. Or watching doing it.
I'm not set up yet. Just gotta grab that.
But yeah, that cloud in the background, guys, all fog. Right the way across, big sheet of fog.
no baiting, so I ain't expecting a lot. Just gotta watch we don't hit that big reef over there.
Yeah.
The tide's pulling. First box. Not very good pots, these ones. I'm not expecting anything in these. Let me tell you, a few spideys. Not big ones, but I reckon if we did the inkwells, there'd be a few in there.
Yeah. Big spider crabs in this one.
I think one that's good enough. Nice, we even got that in there. Yeah, that's a nice one, isn't it? He'll be coming home.
Look at that,
Right.
beautiful, look at that.
It's not big, but big enough. Here comes the second one.
Yeah, you certainly couldn't ask for better weather today, that's for sure. We literally landed in a Dallows van, dropped the gear off, straight out of the boats.
Yeah.
Absolutely cracking.
On spot it. There's a few in here. Nice. See, there was no bait in them. Geez. One. Still male. Better one.
Oh, put the legs on that.
Yeah, that's still small, that. That's probably inside, but we're not going to keep it. Right. I won't bait these off because they're not very good pots.
Well, that's that string done.
Yep. Another spider there. Close that up. Spiders have certainly made an appearance now. Right, let's get this back out.
Second string coming in.
Got that fog rolling in.
Yeah, I know.
Right over the reef here.
I suppose you don't get more like bream over the reef. No.
You do get them. Not like you do up there though. They've got a reliable food source, eh? So pitch. Give her a bit of help. Oh, there's the first pot. See it? Well, yeah, it's going to get tight very quick. There's a spider. I can see him in there. A lot of tide here.
Oh, look how quick that fox dropped in. There we go, guys. That's how quick that fox dropped in.
On a lobster. Oh. Yeah, that fox rolled in quick.
Yeah, isn't it just? Spider and a lobo in that one.
I've got a long load of rope here. So what we'll do is we'll just steer really far forward. I love it when that carp rolls in like that.
It's like the film The Mist, isn't it?
Yeah.
Look at that beautiful lobbo in there, little lobbo.
I don't know if he's inside.
Nah, I don't think he is.
You never know.
I watch your videos too much, mate.
It's got quite a big shell on it.
Yeah.
The body, probably a female. Comes the second one. This ain't the big string actually, this is just a 2. Got any spiders in? Say we got no bait in. Not doing too bad. Oh, another lobster. 2 lobsters.
Oh, sweet.
I do better with no baiting. I do.
Nice
better
2
with no baiting.
lobsters on that one as well.
Right, let's have a look. He's going to be too small. 1 lobster. When I need my gauges, I can't find them.
Ah, they're in this one.
Oh, is it?
Spider, yeah, I see them in the top down.
That one's been close. Get close to that reef. Back of the eye socket back. Oh, he's just out. Look. See that?
Yeah.
It's just out. Then he gets to go back. It's wide up. It's the only problem with that fog, you can't see that reef.
Well, he's a nice one.
Yep. That lobster's too small.
There you go. Another one. Little one is going straight back.
Yep. Right, put some bait in these and get onto that next set. But I'm going for spiders with these. Just the buff.
Oh.
Just chop that over.
Job's a good one.
Job done.
2 spider crabs.
Got a little male. We'll let that one go. I only got a small brown crab. Shedding, you can see by how clear it is underneath.
Yeah. Another little small lobster.
1 small tiny little lobster. Good to see. Little female, that one. Right, that's it. Let's get away from this reef chain. Get right next to it.
I'll be following, mate. 3rd string.
Yeah, no good to know on that.
Little brown
Like I
crab.
said, there was no bait in them, so I'm surprised we've even had crabs in the other one.
There you go, straight back, guys.
Next pot might be the smash fishing pot.
What I'm going to probably do is separate the videos. But obviously we're fishing tonight for everybody, so I'll probably put that into a part 2. And then obviously we're at the boat tomorrow, and that'll be another part 3. So that'll be 3 good videos for the channel.
Look how big this pot is, buddy.
Blimey.
Monster.
She's a pig.
Smash mate that.
Jeez.
Not catching a lot though.
I see a spider in that.
Yeah, like I say, there's no bait. Not surprised we've even got that.
There you go, 1 little spider.
Small spider. Small velvet crab, pinch of meat. On a small brown crab.
And a little brownie. Right, that's the end of our day today. We are fishing tonight. This will be part 1. So catch us on the next one, guys. Like and subscribe.
See you next time.
There we go. Catch you soon, guys. Thank you.